Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I installed this frontal bang wig. So if you're interested, continue watching. So shout out Jessie Wig for sending over this package. I got a mini brush set, some eyelashes, a melt band, a wig cap, and of course the wig itself. So this was like a rich brown color wig and it was 24 inches long. So I'm just gonna show you how it's looking in the inside. So we got some combs. We got 3 combs going around the frontal, and we have 1 comb at the back. We also have the adjustable bands inside the wig, and we also have another one that you can adjust yourself and make the wig glueless. So I'm just showing you guys how the wig looks on my skin. And you really don't need to pluck this wig. I didn't go ahead and pluck this wig because it was a bang wig, but this is a loose wave texture. So I'm gonna get into this install, guys. So first things first, you gotta make sure your hair is braided back into some flat braids. So guys, this is the wig. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to spray my hairline with some Got To Be Free spray, and I'm going to use my edge control brush and brush back any hairs that are in the way and then dry it. Next, I'm going to put on my wig cap, and once it's on, I'm just going to slide it back just a little bit behind my hairline. And then I am going to cut off the extra lace off the back of the wig because you do not need it. And once I've done that, I'm going in with my concealer and my makeup brush, and I'm just going to brush it all over the inside portion of the frontal. And once that's done, I'm going to put the wig on. So guys, I know I'm looking a mess, but don't worry, just hang in there and stay with me because we're gonna get this all together. So as I mentioned before, I did not go ahead and pluck this wig. So what I'm going to do now is cut off the ear tabs, and you gotta make sure there's no lace covering your ears. So that's what you basically want to cut off on both sides. So what I'm doing now is I'm spraying my Ebin active adhesive spray onto the hairline, and I'm going to make it dry. So I'm going to put my melt band on and dry it. So this wig did fit me a little bit small, but guys, you always need to know how to finesse a wig. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm going to dry it, take the melt band off, and then go ahead and spray the next side. But you also want to make sure that you cut off the ear tab, as I said before. So now I'm just gonna leave the frontal portion to dry, and I'm gonna go in and flatten out the top portion of this wig. So because I didn't have my wax stick, I went in with my beeswax and just spread it all over the top portion of my hair and used my hot comb to flatten it just so that it looks much more sleek. And once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and add some flat iron curls to my hair because this hair was already curled and it did look like wand curls, but because I didn't have a wand, I'm just using my flat iron to just make the hair look more fresh without doing the entire thing all over again. So as you can see, I'm like brushing it in together. So once I've done that, I'm going to remove my melt band and start cutting off the lace. So I'm using my scissors to cut off the extra lace, and I'm just going in a zigzag motion. Alright, so once I finish cutting off the lace, I'm gonna go in with my BioSilk and just spread that all over my hair, and then I'm going to start working on the bangs. So as you can see, this is a side part bang wig. So all I did was I sectioned out the bangs, used my flat iron to flat iron it, and just gave it a little curl at the end. That way it would kind of go into the hair at the same time. So that's exactly what you just see me doing now. And I did not have to cut these bangs at all. If they were any longer, I would have had to go in and cut them, but they were honestly the perfect length. So I just swooped it over to the side and it was great. So this is basically how it is looking. I just played with my bangs a bit until I liked how it looked. I was just checking if I liked it messy or neat. But once I did that, I just sprayed my oil sheen, and that is basically how it was looking, guys. This color was really nice. The bangs with it looked really nice and different. So I'm just showing you guys how I looked in the final look. And yeah, I thought it was really cute. It was definitely different for me because I never really do side bangs. Plus the side bangs with the color, it was just a whole different vibe. So I was loving that for me. So once again, I just want to shout out Jessie Wig for sending over this unit, guys. If you like it, all the details will be down in my description box below, so you can go ahead, click the link, check them out, and see if there's anything that you like. But yeah, that is it. I hope you guys like this video. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about this. Like, my bangs were long, but they weren't that long. Let me know also if you guys would have cut it. If you guys would have cut the bangs, but I think it was a good length. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next hair video. So make sure you turn on those post notifications.